What you think? Oh, we suck, bro. Money, baby. Catch this. Five cards, let's go. Oh! Hey, good job, man.
We got it.
Did you grab my gallon of water? Did you grab my gallon of water? Alright, so today is the last day for our bowling league, and we are literally playing like crap. I think we're like second to last on this one. I don't know what it is. I just been bowling like crap. Where are we at here? Somewhere down here. Oh wow, we are all the way at the end. Oh, we finally got the shirts together like a real team.
Exactly. Now it's a real team.
Now we a real team with all the shirts. Look at this, baby. What you think? What you think?
Oh, that's clean.
Bro, I had to get it, bro. They contacted me today. It's like, yo, we got this watch.
That was a clean one, bro.
Gotta get
Congrats,
it.
Congrats.
Thank you, bro.
Hey.
Alfredo.
What uppers?
Bro, how you gonna lose weight eating that shit, bro?
No, I can eat this now.
Oh, now you can? Stupid ass. Said who?
Me.
Oh, okay. Got the drinks.
I thought I was gonna be the only
My
one.
man, Jamie.
Yes, sir.
Hey, we gotta take a quick picture, bro.
Yeah, front and back. Tell your wife to take a picture of us.
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's just go, Victor.
Hey, darling. Hey, darling. You gotta take a picture of us. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I left you guys on here for 8 minutes. My bad. I was just trying to post this real quick.
Gotta give me all that one. That's
Hey.
practice. It's a warm up.
250,000 followers right here.
We're about
Damn.
to get that right now. Perfect game too.
All right, so what we're doing right now is everybody's doing a bunch of practice rounds. We got about 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Let's see what Al does here. Can you pick this shit up? Can you pick it up?
Nope.
All right, so I'm about to bowl my first ball. Here we go.
All right, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. What are you gonna talk? No, go ahead and speak. Go and speak. tell us you can kick our asses tonight. No. You obviously see what place we're in. Shit.
Man, this is getting it's kind of heavy on my first ball. I was like, damn. No. That's my left hand, bro.
I know. I just had to say it.
Man,
Hey, baby. The brothers get $67 each.
That's it?
That's it.
Oh, we suck, bro. Hey, you know what's funny? $67, but it's gonna go back into the pot.
Go back to that. Yeah, let's do it. Thank you, sir.
Money, baby.
There you go, baby.
All right, so what are we doing? 5-5-5?
Right there, all in. Let's go. Let's have fun. Let's have fun. Let's go. Come on, guys.
All right.
I'm taking it.
Hey, let's do it.
Y'all doing good. I want one of those.
Okay, so what are we doing?
Strikes, high score,
Card game, high score, handicap, and most strikes. Hey, that's your money, Jamie.
Hold on.
No, it's 5-5-5. So here's my 5-15. I'm taking my $5. Jamie, you need to throw in 15. Now you need to throw in 10.
I'm throwing my 15.
Another 5?
I
Okay.
can throw mine right now.
Wait, how's this?
5-5-5, right?
Real quick. Yeah, and then
Oh yeah, sorry. I'm tripping.
Yeah.
You got 15. Just take a 5. There you go. Here we go, baby. Let's do this. This is what? 45 bucks this game. First ball for Albert. Oh! I should have put that on a camera.
Yes, sir.
On the phone. No, on this.
Oh. It's good, right? I felt good on that one.
Was that your left hand?
Yeah.
Alright, we got Jamie. Alright guys, we got Jamie. First ball, here we go. Oh, strike ball. Oh! That means I gotta get a strike, baby. Yeah. Oh. Pressure's on. Pressure's on.
You got it.
I gotta get this. I gotta get it. I can't get them to get strikes. Here we go. Look at that movement, baby. Out there, baby. Hey, you a good camera guy, man. I appreciate you.
That's all I just said.
To see my setup, I didn't bring it tonight. I was like, last night I'm not bringing it. I got a good whole live stream that cost me $1,000.
Oh, ow, you. All right, guys, so check this out. I'm pretty close to a 300, but I did mess this up. Now let's see if I can get 2 more strikes on the on the 10th frame. Here we go. Bro, I hit the pocket on every single one, man. Almost, ow. You almost lost $5 grand, bro.
Hey, that's all your money.
Look at that, babe. I hit the pocket on just 2. Good point.
You gotta be hitting up and down.
All right, baby. I get 7 cards, baby.
Hey, you like sourdough bread?
Love sourdough bread.
Do you?
I can't eat it though. I'm going hard training right now. What? You guys?
Tiffany makes.
Shut the
fuck up. Did you really just play
Yeah. I get 7. Oh, look at this. King. Oh, Jack.
that? 4 of a kind. Wow, what hand do you want to play?
1, 2,
Full
3,
house,
4,
4
5,
of a
6.
kind. You have 2 full houses. 3. Fuck, you got the kings. Did you have the king too as well?
Oh, yeah, look at this. No, I don't have the kings.
Remember the other one?
Oh yeah, sorry, look at this. Jack. I'm taking all the money, baby. I'm taking it all.
You took it off. Compare.
You got a pair, a couple of
You
balls?
thought I'm gonna walk away with some balls still. I'm back in. I'm back in. Wait, I thought we paid good for quarters, bro.
Al, you in on this?
Hey, and you want your boy at 300 now?
I'd be pissed. Who's short right now? Oh. Albert, you in on this?
I'll bring it.
When? Next week?
Get that strike. Show it.
Okay, that's how we do it. Jamie, you ready? I had to do that.
Did you do that?
What are you gonna do real quick?
Tiger Woods, baby.
All right, here we go.
Hey, that's a tiebreaker today. Yeah, right?
All right, so
Yeah, I have to
my
put it in
second
the pot.
game
Yeah,
bowled
that
a
makes sense.
216, and I've been winning all the games.
Again, that's the next one.
Well, who's gonna get all the dollars?
Huh?
Somebody got to count all that.
Yeah, so whoever gets
I've been
the
winning,
most
guys.
strikes at the end, winner takes
Oh, okay, so both strikes
So
again.
put it all in the pot. And at the very end, to make it fair, whoever draw the high card.
Want to just do that?
Huh?
Okay, I like
Wait,
that.
okay.
High card.
High card
High
at the
card
end. At the end.
That's good. That's
good.
So, yeah,
Okay,
dude,
so
you
what-
know that we're the ones putting the most dollars in.
Hey, so hey, what's the game?
Fine. So we're doing no, we gotta up it a little bit though.
Insurance.
No, we have to up it though. If you do bowl a gutter,
$5.
yeah,
$5.
Oh,
Any gutter.
any gutter, even on a stick ball.
Yeah.
Hey, so
wait, what the is going on here? I feel like I'm getting hustled
What's
right now.
going on is you're gonna make more money.
I like that.
You already won both games. All three. High game, best poker hand, and what is it? All most strikes. We'll do the same.
I came here with $100. I'm down to $5. Oh shit!
Hey, so what is this right here?
That's mine.
No, what is it? Everybody
You got
puts
change?
it
You got change?
25. Hey, Al, where's your money at?
How much out?
You owe $4. I owe $5.
Hey, I throw in $1.
Both of y'all
Okay.
cheapskates.
So wait, when
there.
you guys gonna do the high card?
I'll take you my $5 out.
Okay.
Right now?
Hey,
Now.
so-
Are you just gonna shuffle it or what?
nope,
Yeah,
we're just gonna
shuffle
pick it. All right, right here. These are
Wait,
the
hold
cards.
on.
Why don't
Hey,
you guys
do-
do the best two cards?
How much
Jamie.
is this total?
I did 20. I have 25. So
Because there are.
And I
shit.
took mine. How much is that?
no,
then we
hold
get the
on.
5 cards.
Total should be 57. Here's this.
So how much money?
Okay, I need change.
There's a lot.
57. How much do you need?
I need change.
Well, how much do you need?
15.
Last game of the night. Yeah. So we made it big.
Is there 15?
I'll take this.
Hey,
And
hey, $5. Our team draw higher card
there
than
you
you.
go.
Wait, hold on.
No, that works.
That's 60
I'll take
though.
that. I'll take that. I'm $2 shy. Sorry.
Okay, hey, Al. Right here. Here's the cards. Oh no, where's the cards at? Right here. Oh wait, first.
Yeah, we'll use these ones.
Yeah, we're gonna use this one.
Wait,
But
those
who
are empty cards?
No, these are the cards that are over here. So
Okay.
we'll put that there. Oh yeah, he gotta grab his cards. This goes here. Did you beat me here?
No.
So let's figure this thing out. let me collect my money first. So one game is
What's your card hand?
$20. Hey, this is for the strike. I won for the strike.
Yeah.
This is mine. Put this in my pocket. Hey, I got high game. Another 20. I'll take the clean ones. Okay.
You might as well just take it off because you won it all.
No, this is poker now.
Yeah.
Who won the poker game?
You won the poker.
Nah, we don't know yet. I'll gotta pick his cards. No, this is me. Did you beat this game or no?
It all. Like,
I think you lost.
Yeah, I lost.
Okay, so you're off.
Wait,
So-
wait. I gotta get water because water was.
Oh no, don't even worry about that.
I got my cards.
Grab your cards. I'm trying to win it all, mother.
Oh, wait, trying to win.
Do you
But I need the money.
Do you have a straight or?
I have a full house. That's what I
Oh,
have.
then he won the full house.
Oh, you.
Boom.
Oh yeah, he won that one.
I won this. All right, $60 right here on the cards.
All right. Oh,
Oh.
on the game bill. Yeah.
Right here. $60. 5 cards. Let's go.
David.
Shit. Hey, who's gonna win on the high cards?
So low man picks first. All right, that's low man picks Chakits.
No man.
Low man, me.
Low man, you.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Man, pick first.
$60 high card. All right, $60 high card. Here we go.
Ace.
Oh! Oh!
Your turn.
Go, go. I lost spot, but I don't care. Oh.
Oh, quickly! Oh, quickly!
Oh! Winner!
Let's go. We got
Hey, good job, man.
We got it. Good game, Chakits though. He beat us all on all three.